Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with StampFUNatics, and today I just wanted to go over our Sale-a-Bration sale and catalog. Our Sale-a-Bration catalog only goes from July 1st to August, the end of August in 2022. So that's only 2 months. So I really wanted to focus in on this and all the free products in here that you can earn. Now, our mini catalog already came out, and I already have this that I've showed you. You can also see it on my blog. You can see the digital version. But this goes from July to December of 22. So you have about 6 months to go and shop all of these wonderful, wonderful things. So here's what I wanted to show you. Since we're limited here, and even in this book, all the products are only as long as they last. If they run out, they won't be getting new ones because they don't have time to like get it ordered and shipped and everything before the end of August. So it's as long as the supplies last. So if you see a favorite in here that you like, you should go ahead and get it right away. Okay, so here I wanted to show you our first cute stamp set, which is called the Hippest Hippos. And this is the stamp set here. It's You're Always on Point, You're So Hip, You Really Are the Best, and Love You a Ton. And look how cute with the flower, the little ballerina, and this little guy here. Now I did go ahead and make a few cards and I wanted to show you them, but first I wanted to tell you how Sale-a-Bration works. With every $50 order, and that's before tax or shipping, you can earn the items that are marked with the circle with 50. So you could get the stamp set or you could get the dies. And let me show you the dies. Dies are adorable too. They have a little wash tub. They have a little ship, boat. They have scuba gear. Let's see if I can see it better here. They've got a little umbrella, some hearts. You can make a Valentine, glasses, scuba glasses, little waves and splashes. Just adorable. So I made a couple cards that I wanted to show you with these. And I made, let's see, I used the guy on this one with the little flower. I'm here for you, and then wishing you a speedy recovery. And this set was in the annual catalog, but I cut him out using the dies and also, yes, these flowers that are here. I also did that, and I added them to either side, and I also put one inside. So that was one card I made. And then I did a Christmas version, and here's the other one, where he's actually putting a little ball on the tree, and I used colored rhinestones for that, and I actually used these lights from another set that I'm going to show you. I also got the little wreath from the other set, and here's the little hippo. So it could be Christmas, you light up the season, put the light things in there again. It's adorable. Okay, so that's the first one. Now, if your order is $100, you could order both of these. If it's $50, you could do one or the other, and then on your next order, pick it up. There are items, though, if you go through the book, let me get one here, that's $100. So when you're making your order online, it'll have your whole order, and then down at the bottom, it'll tell you how many rewards. And it'll say you earned 2 $50 rewards or one $100 reward. And that's when you can make your choice if you wanted 2 50s or one 100. So just look for the little circle and it'll tell you what you need to earn in order to get the free product. And then you get these free. Okay, our next item, this coordinates with the Ringed with Nature bundle. I don't have that set. That set is in the mini catalog. And here they have great paper that goes along with it. Cute little birds and let's see, yeah, kind of like little mushrooms, I think they are. There's houses, just all kinds of really cute designer series paper. A lot of people love paper, so this is when they get it, and they get it for free. Okay, then over here we have Pool Party and Soft Foam cards and envelopes, and this is an envelope pack I've been using like crazy. This is a free $50 order, and it has 2 colors, the Soft Seafoam and Pool Party, and these are your cards. And then you have matching envelopes, so it really makes it look polished with the same little design. And then they're all the same, and then on the inside is the Pool Party color of your envelope. So I've made some cards using those that I'll show you in a minute. But I just wanted to say, this is a great value. You get 20 card bases and 20 envelopes. And it makes cards so fast because you already have the card already cut and ready and scored. You're just going to add your stamped products onto it. Okay, then also you get, here's another one for $50, Stylish Sketches, and it's cute little animals. You've got some geese, I think it's a fox, and some leaves. So really cute. Here's some card ideas for you. And then over here is more designer series paper. This one is 6x6, and it is silver and gold. I do have that. And I wanted to show you what it looks like. You've got two patterns. Some are stripes and some are circles or dots. And they come in the gold and they also come in the silver. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of the gold lined paper. And then you're going to get 4 of the dots. Actually, I think you're getting 6. Yeah, I've already got some. And then you have some silver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting 6 of each, I'm sorry. 6 lined and 6 dots in the silver. So you can use the gold or the silver. And one little trick I wanted to show you is you can take your blending brushes, and this one I did, I think, a little Highland Heather, and I just brushed on the color, but the gold still shows through. And if you were to use the silver, it would be the same. So you can color your paper too to match whatever project you're working on. So I just wanted to mention that. Okay, and this one I have coming, I just ordered it. And that's with $100 that it would be free. Amazing phrases. Look at all these cool phrases. You have giant ones, so it's great for cards when you don't want to do too much. And then the little saying later that you can put on maybe one of your tag dies or just cut it out with some paper, and you can make lots of cards. Okay, this one is very popular. This one's called Tree Lot Dies. Look at all the tree lot dies, and it goes with a stamp set that's in, and it tells you here, coordinates with Trees for Sale. So I did get both of those. Let me find that. Okay, this is the stamp set that's in the mini catalog. And again, you light up the season. Notice how that looked familiar? That is what I used to string lights on this card and inside. So you can mix and match your stamps, guys. Okay, we've got So Very Merry, You Light Up the Season, Christmas Greetings, Trees for Sale's a little dog, your tree stand. Look at the little paw prints and beautiful trees. And then you get these wonderful dies that cut out all the trees, cut out like all of the inside of the trees that you stamp. So you can do two-tone color if you want. You've got the camper, little banners for the camper, stars. Those are the lights, the string lights. You can make it on a pole if you want, and you can stamp the pole and string the lights. The little dog and the sign are there, the bows, and there's the little wreath that I had for this guy right here. That's the wreath and that's the bow that I cut out with these dies. So another great set. The dies here are free with $100 orders, but look at how many dies you're getting. 24 dies. Wow. Okay. And here's a lot of little product ideas. See, there they are strung on the pole. This one I missed in the beginning, so I did get it because I was in a swap when a girl made a card with this beautiful paper, and she cut out one of the flowers that is actually in the designer series paper. You are positively the greatest. She added whatever sayings she wants because this one does not have sayings. But this set for $100, you're getting the stamp set, and you're also getting all of this beautiful designer series paper. So I wanted to show you, oh wait, before I show you that, let me just show you my little camper guy. We have gnomes in the mini catalog. I love gnomes. And so only in stamping though. I don't like real gnomes that you put in gardens. They kind of creep me out, but these are adorable. So there's the little dog, there's the sign, there's the camper. I put a little wreath, kind of made it a girly camper because I made it in kind of brighter colors. There's the trees, and I even put a little wink of Stella. I don't know if you can see the sparkle. And those little stars came right out of the stamp set. I did a little background on there with my blending brushes. Okay, now, back to this one. The girl who made this inspired me. So I went ahead and ordered the cards. And I'm using the card pack that I showed you earlier that is right over here. Let me go back. Page 8. And I'm using the green version, the soft, I think it's soft seafoam. And I just cut this out of the paper. I embossed this with a die from, I believe it's in the mini catalog, that's leaves. And just use my rectangle dies. This is the back. This is also a piece of that paper. And I just stamped a saying. And most of my sayings, I used either Celebrating You, or this one was from Cheerful Basket, sending you some get well cheer. And these are in the annual catalog. So that was one. This again, I just cut out of the beautiful paper that they had, and I added some of my gems, stamped it, and just cut paper. I mean, real easy. Same thing here, did it again. Just cut the paper, cut another piece of the paper that coordinated with it, stamped a little thank you, and put my little gems on. And this is the blue one, Pool Party, out of those card set. Then I decided, all right, I better stamp one for you. So I took my white, and I cut it 4 1/4 by 11, scored it at 5 1/2, so it opens this way. And I actually stamped this in, I believe it was Starry Night, one of our new in colors. No, Orchid Oasis. That's what I used. So I stamped it and stamped a saying, just for you, and used the beautiful background paper, my rectangle dies, had a beautiful card. So that's what I made out of this set. I love it. Don't miss that. Now, if you decide to be a host, you can earn for free this perfect pomegranate. And that's if you decide maybe to host or have a few people help you, so that you have a $300 order. So you can earn that stamp set for free for that. And your code numbers are right here. So you just pick that up and it tells you when it asks you for host. This one says free host, so you know it's not just one of the sets you're earning for free. And if you decide to join, if you're spending $99 because you just love everything that's coming out, you'll earn a couple of the celebration items. But for joining, you'll have this nice planner, and Stampin' Up! Will give it to you for free. It's a planner, and it's got all of a stamp set for it, all of the inside pages. It's really gorgeous. I don't have it, so I'm not much of a planner person. I kind of fly by the seat of my pants, so but it's a great deal. So I just wanted to explain to you how Sale-a-Bration works. It is short term, it's only for 2 months. If you're ordering this month, please use my host code and order at StampFUNatics.com and earn as many of these freebies as you want. Like I said, it's every $50. So if you're spending $50, you earn one. Spending $100, you can earn either 2 50s and 1 100 or 1 100, and keep going from there. If you earn 200, you could earn, let's see, 4 times 5, so 4 $50 items in here. It just goes on, and it'll tell you at the end, under your order, at the bottom there, it'll say you've earned this many celebrations. And also, if you've earned host codes, it'll tell you that too. And so you can order from any catalog, not just the mini catalog that we have out now, which is this nice holiday one, but also from our annual catalog or even our clearance rack. So check all that out, get your supplies, and as you do, or even if you order paper pumpkin, this is the time when I usually would order my year worth of paper pumpkin and earn about 5 products here free. So don't forget that if you're a paper pumpkin subscriber and you like kits, the more you buy, the more you save. If you do it monthly, it's one price. If you do it 3 months, you get it a little bit less, 6 months, and then a year. So check it out. That's when I said, if I know I want it for the year, I just do it then. And then I can pick out about 5 items out of here of the $50 or a couple $100 ones and $150. So that's what I've got for today. And I hope you'll order with me. I appreciate everybody's orders. I'll send you out a nice little thank you, and I appreciate you checking in today and being my customers. Thank you so much, and have a great day.